Have you ever wondered what would happen if stormtroopers could actually hit their targets? Because I know I have. With the help of AI, you can turn that imagination into reality. So that's exactly what I did. I wrote a prompt and here's the result.
Was Darth Vader. Once I struck fear into the hearts of rebels across the galaxy, but then the impossible happened. My stormtroopers installed aimbot.
Sir, we've eliminated all threats in the sector, even the Womp Rats.
Impressive, most impressive, but perhaps too impressive. As their accuracy increased, my necessity decreased.
Lord Vader, we've taken out Skywalker, Kenobi, and even that walking carpet, Chewbacca.
Well done, I suppose I'll just go then. And so I found myself facing a new challenge, retirement. Now I spend my days at the beach trying to keep sand out of my respirator. I've taken up knitting. It's not as impressive as force choking, but it's therapeutic.
Pretty cool, huh? And that entire video was made only using one AI tool that is called Invideo AI. Now, this is just mind-blowing. This tool has done everything from creating the script, to creating the scenes, to adding in the music, voiceovers, everything. Literally, what you can do with this is insane. Now, in this video, I will show you exactly how you can make a cool video like this and more. So let's get started with Invideo AI. After logging into Invideo AI, this is the screen that you will see. And what you need to do here is you need to switch your engine or your model to Invideo AI 3.0. Now this one uses generative media instead of stock footage. So if you're using this, I would recommend having the generative plan of Invideo AI. Now, other than that, the generation is pretty simple. So all you need to do is you can write a prompt right here, or you can use their template. So there are two options of how you want to tackle this. If you already have a prompt, then you can simply enter it in right there. Or if you go to explore all flows, then here you can see all the different flows that Invideo AI has. So for example, if we go down, you can see the animated ads flow. You can do one for food. You can do one for generative fan art, a short AI film. You can literally do anything that you like. Now for this video, I'm using the generative fan art. And what you do is you click on it, then you simply insert your topic. So it says, create a generative fan art video about, and here we enter in our topic. So my topic is Darth Vader retires after his stormtroopers installed aimbot. Now underneath this, you can add some relevant information about the video. So if you have that, you can simply add it in right there. So here, for example, you can say, I want the first scene to be like this. Now, if you don't have any relevant information, don't worry, I don't have that either. So what we do next is we go down to settings and then we select only use generated media. This is very important. So don't use the stock media, only use the generated media. Then moving on, we have a few options to choose from. For example, we can choose the different background music, if we want to have it like energetic, or we can type any type of music that we want to use. Then we can select if we want to have captions in there. We can select if we want to have a different language and also what kind of voice actor. So here you can change it to any type of voice. And for this one, I'm going to use a male voiceover. The language should be English. And for now, I don't want to add in captions in my video. Now your prompt is ready to use. The only thing I would add in there is the duration of your video. So I'm going to say create a 1-minute generated fan art about Darth Vader retired after his stormtroopers installed aimbot. So now you're going to click on generate video and that brings you to this following page. Here you answer these 3 questions. So the first one, the visual style, I'm going to keep it at realistic. Then the audience, I'm going to keep it at Star Wars fans because that's exactly what this video is aimed at. And then the platform, it will be a YouTube video. So I'm just going to hit continue and now our video will be generated. So that took about 10 minutes and now you can take a look at your video. So I have my video right here, but you already watched that one. So I'm just going to show you how you can edit the video to make it the best video possible. What you can do is you have 2 options. The first one being you can edit your video using the command box. Now here you can typically like write a prompt of anything that you want to do and it will do that to your video. So you don't have to worry about if you don't have any skills in editing. You can simply do it through this command box. For example, you can ask it to add in subtitles. Now I'm gonna hit generate, and now it is adding in subtitles onto our video. And that is pretty fast, so let's take a look.
was Darth Vader. Once I struck fear into the hearts of...
So yeah, that looks already pretty good, but if you want to change this, you can say like add a bold outline and it will do that for you. Now, besides that, you can also ask it to change the voiceover to a French speaking person. So let's change that. Make the video French. Then you hit generate and now your video will be in French. So let's take a look.
Autrefois, je semais la terreur dans le cœur des rebelles à travers la galaxie. Mais alors l'impossible est arrivé.
Okay, so I don't speak French, but it sounds pretty good. Now let's edit it manually. If you want to have a bit more control, then you can click edit. And here you have a few different options. The first one being is the media. So as you can see, this is the media dashboard. Now here we can change every scene that's in there. So what you can do is you can click on generative media. Then here you can click on generative media again. And now you can write a prompt and it will make a new clip for you. I will be very precise with this. It also takes a few minutes to generate, but the results are pretty good. Now, let's say you have made similar clips or similar videos in Invideo AI, then you can see all of your media down here. And here you can just select that media and then you can replace it. So now my scene will be replaced. Then I hit proceed and then I'm gonna hit save changes. You can do this for every scene if you want to change it manually. Besides that, if you want to change up the script, you can do so right here. If we're gonna hit script, then you can see the script right there and you can change it by just writing something right there. If you hit save changes, then it will add that to the script. Now, if you also want to add in another video or another scene into your sentence, then you can do so right here. You click on plus and then you're gonna hit generative media. So with this editing timeline and also the command box, you have complete control over the outcome of your video. Literally, if you put in some time to it, you can make the best video possible. Once you're happy with your video, you're gonna click on download and then you're gonna hit download video. And here you're gonna select no watermarks. Then you're also going to select non-Invideo AI branding and you want to have the highest resolution possible. This will give you the best video possible and then you can put that on your socials. If you don't know what to create, just take a look at these templates. It will give you somewhat of an idea what you can do with this. And if you have an idea, then I have this advanced prompting method for you. And it works with ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I've made a custom prompt bot that is entirely customized to the best practices of how you can prompt on Invideo AI. I will leave a link for it in the description down below. And with this, you can simply type in your ID and it will give you a prompt that you can use for Invideo. Now, I've done this for a bit of a different topic about how to reduce your carbon footprint, and it spits out this perfect prompt that you can use for your video. So you can use this prompt that you're seeing on the screen right now. It also has the settings in there and also the style that I want to use. Now you can just copy this, then you put this in Invideo AI and then you repeat all the steps and then you have your video. I've actually created this video with that.
Carbon footprint. The thing is, these seemingly small actions add up quickly on a global scale.
There's no limitation on how long your video can be. It is suggested if you want to have faster generation that you keep the video short. But literally, you can make like 5 or 10 minute long videos with this tool. Now, you can use Invideo AI for free, but if you want to try out these features that I just discussed, then you need to have the generative plan, which will cost you $96 a month. And I would highly recommend that plan as it will give you 15 minutes of credits each month. And that lets you create awesome creations like I just showed you. If you want to see more videos where I test out different AI video generators, then click the video that's on the screen right now.